When I go to begin drawing this short hairstyle, like normal, I'm going to map in the box and the kind of the shape and size of the object that I'm drawing. In this case, I'm also trying to draw in the chunks of the hairline. When I'm ready to start shading, I'm going to start with my big base values. I'm going to just try to find kind of the generic places of light, dark, and medium. When I go into the hair, I'm going to try to map in those same places. I'm almost looking at the hair as if they're big tufts or sections of hair. I'm okay with my hair being a little more textured in these early stages than I would if I was doing skin. Let your brush strokes or your pencil strokes go the same direction as the hair will go. That way, if it does show, it's not a big deal. Now you can see me going through and mapping in these big dark values, places that are the hair getting tucked under other layers of hair. I'm not worried about each strand at this point in time. I'm just focusing on the overall placement and mapping of the values. Once the values are right, I'm going to get a very sharp, dark pencil, and I'm going to start layering over top of my values the hairs themselves. The pencil strokes should mimic the same size and length of the hair that is seen in the photograph. I want to try and make sure that the hair is going the same direction. Notice how the hairs are overlapping one another. They're even going to go over top of some of the skin, and they might even stick off of the sides of the head or the top of the head a little bit. Not a lot, but a little. This will allow us to get that illusion of the hair and how it falls in reality and how it's a little more three-dimensional. Look at how this texture really enhances the project. And I can still see some of those light and dark mappings that I did originally in the very first steps